Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps of exporting your bot chats from the Telegram app on your PC using the new update. If you've been wondering how to keep a copy of those important files exchanged with bots, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're inside, look to the top left corner, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, navigate down to the option called Settings. Inside Settings, you'll notice several categories. What you'll want to do here is move into the section labeled Advanced. This is where Telegram stores some of the less obvious but very powerful tools. When you scroll down in Advanced, you'll come across an option named Export Telegram Data. Go ahead and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to carefully select which data you want to export from your account. Since we only want bot chats, make sure you tick the box that says Bot Chats. To keep the export clean and specific, uncheck everything else that isn't related to bots. After that, scroll further down until you see the section for Files. Check that option as well because it ensures that all the files shared in your bot chats will be included in the export. Now, once you've selected bot chats and files, click on Export. Telegram will then begin preparing your data for download. Depending on the size of your chats and files, this may take a little while, so just give it some time to process. As soon as the export is complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on it and you'll be taken to the folder containing all your exported bot chat files. From here, you can view, manage, or back up these files however you'd like. And that's it. You've just learned how to export files from your bot chats on Telegram using the PC app with the latest update. It's quick, organized, and ensures that none of your important files are lost. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep exploring Telegram's features. You might be surprised at how much control it gives you over your data.